All right, folks, here go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2017 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI all-wheel drive with 107,000 miles. Former Highway Patrol State Trooper take-home vehicle. Original silver from factory. Vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape. Folks, this vehicle here, it is just in about near perfect condition all around, inside out. Vehicle does have fresh new window tint. That is going to be a 15% all around. Perfect color combo on this unit here. Once again, original silver from factory. The paint looks great. It's got about maybe 2 door dings and some very light, not very noticeable scratches. The vehicle does have 2 holes in the trunk lid where those where those 2 actual antennas are. So if you need to take your car through an express car wash, those antennas are going to stay put. They're not going to fly away from the vehicle. Once again, this vehicle is an all-wheel drive. Vehicle is equipped with backup sensors and backup camera from factory. She is in immaculate running condition and shape, folks. Very strong, very fast. Stay tuned with me on this one, folks. A lot of work was put into this particular unit here to get her to be just in perfect conditions for me. All 4 steel wheels have been reconditioned, so they are nice. Gloss black all over again, just as if they were new. Vehicle does have a brand new set of takeoffs. Those are going to be the 225/60/18 by Goodyear RSA Eagles. Once again, new set of takeoffs, and all 4 steel wheels were reconditioned, so they do look new all over again. Nice gloss black. Folks, this vehicle, I love the way it looks. I mean, I love silver. This vehicle is very, very intimidating coming down the road. I do have one new use LED spotlight. When the vehicle first got here, there was no spotlight, so I went ahead and put that back in place. I do have a new set of front headlamps, original OEM Dodge. Once again, new front headlamps were installed on this vehicle because the old headlamps were not so great looking. And with this type of vehicle, you know what? I just wanted to give her a facelift, and there she goes. New set of OEM headlamps. Okay, I do have some chipping here on the black on the paint. You can see those little white dots. Those are chipping from the vehicle being on the road. And there's a good reason why I replaced the headlights. All right, those are not cheap, but once again, I wanted to give the car a nice facelift, and I didn't cut any corners, so here we go. No holes on the roof. Once again, folks, this was a take-home unit that was assigned to one state trooper, which is actually the best thing to do because that vehicle is assigned to that state trooper and he or she is in charge of taking care of that car. So makes it very unique, very easy to maintain and keep track of your work. All right, here we go. Let's go in the interior of the vehicle. Look at those wheels. Man, folks, I'm setting you up for success on another great car here. All right, this is the back seat. It does have the leather vinyl rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Vinyl floor is nice. Once again, this is going to be a 2017 with 107,000 miles, highway miles. Folks, as you can see, the vinyl is in nice shape over here. Passengers, driver's side seat, I'm sorry, driver's side seat, my phone is going off and I'm getting distracted here. I need to put this thing on silent. Driver's side seat is in super nice, comfortable shape. Passenger side seat, looks to be in new condition. I don't think nobody ever sat there. Nobody ever sat there. I do have one key fob. Vehicle did come with one key fob. I'm gonna try to get you another one, okay? I'm gonna see if I can go ahead and give you guys another key here real quick. All right, let's come inside of the car. Vinyl floor is in nice shape. Let's clean this up real quick. There you go. It's got a working new use LED here. That's what I got right there. Let's go ahead and fire her up real quick here, folks, and see what we got to work with and stuff. Nice digital cluster. Pressure lights are off. Vehicle does have 107,000 miles. Well, let's go ahead and 108, because I'm gonna continue to drive this bad boy around. I like the way she drives. She's super fast, very strong. Red LED, white LED. Stereo does work. YouTube, I do not own the rights of the song. Let's see. Folks, if you guys can see, you guys are familiar with these chargers. You can control everything from the screen. It is a touch screen right here. Honk does work. You can also control everything from the steering wheel buttons. Vehicle is equipped with a backup camera. It's gonna come up on the rear view mirror. Oh, sorry, wrong car. There it is. So that's a backup camera. It does work. Backup sensors do work. Air conditioner is nice and cold. Paperwork, maintenance, and manual right there in place from the department, folks. I didn't do anything to that, so that once again, that was from the department. Am I forgetting anything in here? I don't think so. Everything lights up how it should. Let's go to the trunk. I know that the clock is ticking, so I better hurry up. Let me clean this up here for you guys. All right, here we go. Okay, this is gonna be the trunk space. You do have a full-size matching spare tire and wheel in the trunk. Okay. Cut out on the right rear inner trunk liner. That's where they put their fuse box and modules. So they cut that out right there. So what you see is what you're gonna get. I'm not doing anything else to it. So, you know, so that's gonna stay the way it is, folks. Okay. Backup camera right there. Antennas are put. They're not going anywhere. So you guys can see. Backup sensors right there on the bumper. You guys can see them. Everything does work. Nice LEDs on the back. Let's get under the hood real quick here, fellas. Ladies and gentlemen, I should say. Nice LDRs right there. That's what I wanted. I love those LDRs on these vehicles. All right, here we go, guys. Starting right to left. Once again, the vehicle is fully serviced. Here we go, right to left. I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I do have 16 OEM iridium spark plugs on this vehicle. Transmission was serviced, full synthetic, ATF4, fluid and filter by Mopar. Okay, vehicle does have a brand new battery as well. Brakes are at 80% all around, so I didn't have to do any brakes on this vehicle. Semi-new tires all around. So, folks, she is in solid, decent shape. Let me be quiet here for a quick minute so you can hear the engine, okay? Here we go. Vehicle is super quiet. No ticking noise. No dings, no dongs, no soda cans, no nothing. This vehicle is super solid, okay? Super solid. I hope I'm not forgetting anything here, ladies and gentlemen, but if I do, let's just say forget a small minor detail, I'm gonna go ahead and add it on my eBay description, and everything guess describe there if I do forget something. One last final look. All right, folks, here she is, and my neighbors are coming just in time. All right, let me get back inside the car and get out of the way here, because you know me, the Crown Victoria guy is always on the way. Let's go ahead and finish her up right here, guys. I do apologize. I'm always on the way, period. Backup camera does work. The good thing is that I have 2 minutes. Did I move that quick on this one? Oh, I guess I did. Love it. All right, I guess I did. Going back to normal. No wonder I was feeling hot. Who turned the heater on? Did I turn the heater on? Turn it down. All right, guys, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. If you guys should have any questions, comments, concern about this vehicle, or maybe you're interested in buying this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call. Let's talk about it. I can't tell you if this vehicle is going to stick around long enough. I'm not sure. I never know. But if you see something you like that draw your attention, please give me a call. All right, folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. Thanks for staying with me for these 12 minutes. Guys, please have a great weekend out there. Please be safe. God bless and take care.